Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Val and I am back with another off-shoulder crop top DIY. And today's DIY is drumroll, inspired by this Pinterest inspiration, guys. I saw the pin and then I immediately thought about this fabric here on my mannequin, guys. So now this is how the DIY turned out. And guys, if you haven't done so, if this is your first time watching my video, guys, I've got a whole playlist of off-shoulder DIYs that you can watch, guys. I'm gonna put the link above and you can binge watch my off-shoulder DIYs, guys. And don't forget, guys, to please subscribe below, hit the notification bell, and comment below and let me know what you think about my DIY, guys. I'm sure you've noticed that I am wearing this thick jacket here, guys, and it's cold, guys. We're in the middle of a cold front. Actually, for the last couple of days, I've been trying to actually do this top and it's really been cold, so I thought I would wait it out, but it's been like 5 days now and I decided to just brave it and sew a crop top here, guys. But honestly, I'm kind of frozen right now, guys, like really frozen, guys. So I'm not gonna put on the crop top now, guys. I think I even caught a cold, guys, like, yeah. So I will put on the crop top and I'll post a picture on my Instagram, so just follow me on my Instagram and you catch me in this top when it's warmer, guys, because right now it's really freezing cold and I ran out of gas, so my gas heater is like not working right now because it's out of gas, guys. But yes, this is how the crop top is looking, guys. So let's get started with the tutorial and I will see you guys at the end. Okay guys, so I've got my arm sleeve pattern, I've got my elastic, my measuring tape, and I've got my ruler and I've got my chalk. I'm gonna use chalk to make my markings on the pattern because I use this arm pattern for all my DIYs that have an arm piece. So first thing we're going to do is going to, from the top of the curve, going to measure 10 centimeters and going to mark that. Then with a straight ruler, I'm going to draw a line across like that. Like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fold. Remember, it's an off-shoulder top, so we don't need the whole sleeve, just part of the sleeve. There we go. Okay, then now I'm going to next part 20 centimeters from that point. Okay, and then measure another 20 centimeters from that point. Now these are the marks where we're going to attach the ruffle arm pieces over here. This is about 27. I think that's gonna be fine. So I'm just gonna cut So the outcome of this top actually is just based upon the amount of fabric I have left. This fabric, I bought it, I think this fabric is more than 5 years old. So my sewing has been kind of on and off throughout the years. Okay, so this is the piece that I'm gonna use to cut for the back, guys. I'm gonna put a link for, I'm pretty sure this pattern is out of print, so you can get the PDF version of this fabric that I'm using, not of the fabric, but you can get the PDF version of the pattern that I'm using for this tutorial, guys, online, and you can just print it. I think from now on I'm gonna give you guys links for PDF patterns that you guys can use for the DIYs that I do. And guys, honestly, what you really need is just basic pattern blocks, and if you have those basic pattern blocks, you'll be able to recreate any of my DIYs, because I just use the same pattern blocks basically. I've got 4 pieces that I had cut, if you remember earlier, like this. So now these ones are going to be for the bottom ruffle here, and these ones are going to be for the top ruffle over here. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take these pieces and I'm going to add them to the top ruffle so it has more volume. Okay guys, so we're at the end of the video now guys. I'm just giving you a better view of the top on the mannequin guys. And okay guys, so this is me and my lovely assistant signing off guys, and we'll see you guys in the next DIY. Ciao.